Codenames is a game between two teams of players, and the goal for each team is to find the words that belongs to your team. So if you're in the red team, you should find the 8 red words, and if you're in the blue team, you should find the 8 blue words. And the way you find what words are red and what words are blue is this card, because then you can see, as this is a 5.5 times 5 grid pattern of words you can count. So you see, for instance, that rose, apple and spring are 3 red words. Additional estate is a red word. You can see that litter is a red word. Gold and hotel and cap and hood. All these are red words, and the leader of the red team will try to give clues to his or her teammate by saying one word and then saying a number additionally. You could, for instance, say growing 2, and then you will perhaps try to make the players on the team suggest rose and apple. If they suggest rose and apple, then you cover these two with 2 red agents. And that's the reason for the name, code names. We're trying to find agents with call names. And then it's the blue player's turn, the blue team leader, and he will perhaps try to get the players to guess Hollywood, King, Revolution. He could, for instance, give the code word medieval 2, thereby saying that his words has something to do with the Middle Ages, perhaps. And it's 2 words that are connected to this, and if the players guess King and Revolution, the blue team can cover their 2 cards like this. In this way, the turn goes back and forth between the teams. The team leaders sit beside each other because they must see what the answers are, but they are not allowed to show this card to the other players. Whomever gets to 8 card first wins the round. There's one additional rule, that is, if one team guesses the black word, because there's always a black word in the game. In this instance, the black word is octopus. If a team guesses octopus, it's just like in billiard. The game is over for that team, and the other team wins by default. So that's the idea of code names.